guys, I'm Utkarsh, and the previous phone which was there, right? It was some, the camera was faulty a bit, and I was not really expecting that. But anyways, I got this replacement. Okay, this is the same phone, but then specs are same, obviously. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it up. So you can check this out. This is written. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up. God. Yes. Again, some material from Amazon. This is sealed. Yes, it is. The speed you need again. Sure. Yes. And I'll open with my.
Your nails are sharper than knife.
I swear, that is why I did not cut or whatever. There is phone inside it, not in stones or whatever. Fine.
Again, wow.
Again. Hello, look at this.
That's a brand new, right?
It is, man. I'll switch it on. Yes. Okay.
The wonderful wizard of oxygen.
OS. Okay.
Wow.
Phone. This particular model, anyways, for every model they give this launcher of OnePlus, which is good itself. Okay. Okay. So my favorite features in this is a lock feature, that is
Face lock.
face lock. Yes. The settings, security and lock. Yes, I'm adding the face lock, face unlock. Yes, pattern. I'm not gonna show this pattern though.
Yeah. Because if again the phone is lost, then it's
Yes,
difficult to find.
Yes, and I'm gonna continue. Next. What? Yes, confirmed. Okay. I love this. I actually love this feature. You can see this, okay?
Yeah. It's locked now.
Damn, that's fast. I swear it is.
Show it
fast.
again. Now it's not unlocked and it's
Damn, that's very fast, I swear.
very fast. This is the topmost phone, man.
Yeah, and what happened to my previous phone is that um, the front screen camera, right? The front screen camera, it had some distortion. Okay, the distortion would be like on my face, right? The face, as in, what happened is like when I used to take a selfie, right, with the portrait mode. Um, the front facing, it was really perfect, but then there was some blurriness on my hair and part of my ear. Okay, and then again there was some distortion. There is the contrast distortion, you can say that.
Okay.
So my face and the background, it was just a bit of the tinge, it was like totally distorted.
So it's a manufactured effect.
It is,
Yeah,
actually.
okay,
The lens
great.
effect, you can say that.
Yeah.
So they gave me a replacement, and I
That's
hope
good.
this
That's
is good.
Yeah. We'll try no.
Yeah. I hope this is good, man. Portrait mode. Hello.
It's perfectly fine. Now it's fine. It's looking fine.
Hope it is fine.
Yeah.
Let's look at it. Array, it's blurred out, man. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom
Only
it in.
only your face is clear.
Yeah, dude.
That's good, man.
Let's zoom it in.
Yeah. It's a portrait mode, no?
Yeah. So
See your
it
hair,
is-
man.
Yeah. So this one is fine.
In the camera they might not see,
This
but I
phone
can
is
see
fine.
on the phone, man. It's really
This phone is fine.
fine, man. Like a SLR or DSLR, you can say.
Anyway.
Perfectly.
Yes.
I will say everyone
So
should
let's
have
take a
this type
selfie,
of.
man. Let's take a selfie. Say hi.
Hi. So I must say everyone must have this type of gadget.
Oh,
What do you say?
blurred out, man.
Huh?
Sorry.
Everyone should have this type of gadget.
I swear, man, this is one of its kind, man. Seriously.
This is the toppest
This
phone, man.
phone is mind-boggling. About phones. 8GB RAM, 256GB storage.
Also, show that notch thing, no? I think
Notch.
that notch thing is off.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, show
the
that
notch
also. No?
is on, actually.
Yeah, show that also, no?
I hope you guys can see this notch over here. Yes, I'm gonna take it off. Let's go and display. Notch display. Hide the
Hide.
notch area. And it's gone.
Oh, amazing, man.
This way. It is. But then I actually prefer the notch.
To show, because it's look
yeah, it
more harder.
looks more classy. Yes.
It's gone?
No, it's there. Notch is still there.
It's not showing, but no?
No. Then again, I love this alert slider. You can see this, right?
Yeah, you can see.
Vibration mode. Again, silent. This is actually better one. It helps you out. Gestures. Another feature, again, which I like is the 3-finger screenshot. Okay, look at this. Done.
Shit.
Don't really have to do anything, man.
Again, show it again. Oh
Done.
my god, man.
Seriously.
It's loaded with too much features, man.
I swear. I mean, people say that iPhone is one of its kind, but then in features, right, this is seriously better than. Maybe
Yes.
I'm not really sure because I don't really like the OS of the iPhone. I'm not really totally into the iPhone at all, but then I love this, man. Android is. I mean, if anyone is going for Android, I'd go for this, man. Seriously.
Android is the next level, man, you can say.
Not really next level, but then yeah.
It's a next level, man. See the features now.
Okay.
Now they might launch 7 or 8 OnePlus.
But then I've heard that the phone, the next phone of OnePlus would be the next flagship of OnePlus would be with 5G. I'm not really
Oh
sure.
my god. That's great.
Yeah, and they'll be having 3 camera instead of dual camera.
3 camera.
Yes, that is what. I like the texture. It's really good. Midnight Black Edition. They give only one variant that the color that you get is midnight black edition. Rather, I was actually expecting them to give the mirror black edition. I'm not
Okay.
really sure. That's totally
But this is good, no?
This is actually better.
This is like a matte finish.
Yeah, the Gorilla Glass is on the screen also and on the backside also. You know that, right?
That's a glass?
Yeah, this is a glass.
That's not a plastic.
This is a glass. This is a glass.
Oh my god.
See, man, seriously, that is insane. I swear. Damn, that's all. I swear.
Lightning speed, man.
I know, man.
Face unlock is a lightning speed.
Look at this. Look at this. Tack. Wait, I'm gonna do it slowly. Okay. So that
One second.
I'm gonna switch it on. Tack.
Very
This
fast.
is the speed of face unlock. I swear, I'm amazed with this.
The next level phone,
I
man.
swear, it is, man.
Anyways, man, congratulations.
Thanks
Again,
a lot.
congratulations.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you guys for watching this video
Yes.
and
Do like and
give us a subscribe and
Like
for Niket and Navlika.
Oh, thanks.
Yes. Thank you.
yes, man.